Hello! Today Needle Pointers will show you how to make a fun and simple personalized tote bag for a child. The technique we will use to attach the design to the tote is raw edge applique. Raw edge applique requires fusible web, which is an iron-on adhesive. So let's get started and see how to make this tote bag. You may be wondering where I found the lettering and design templates for this project. I searched online. I searched using the words lettering templates and dinosaur templates. If you want the same templates, go to our personalized tote bag for kids tutorial page on our website and you will find a link to these letters and design. The supplies you'll need are pre-made tote bag, heat and bond ultra hold, scrap fabric, letter templates, dinosaur template or another type of template, scissor, and pencil. Since the letters are directional and we will be putting the heat and bond template on the back of the fabric, you need to make a mirror image of the letters. So there are a number of ways of doing it. You need to turn it over, and then you can put the heat and bond on the top of it and trace it, but here it's hard to see it. You could, of course, trace around the letter on the back and then put the heat and bond on, or you can use a light box, which I have here, and I really like this light box. I will have a link on our web page for making this project so that you could get one if you'd like it. It's ultra thin and it's battery operated, so you don't need electricity to operate it because it has a battery, and once that's charged it will light up without being plugged into electricity. And the other way that you could, of course, trace your template onto the heat and bond ultra hold is to put it up to a window and then do it that way. But I am going to just do it with my light box, and what you will do is then trace each letter that you will be using onto the paper side of the heat and bond. So I'm going to trace all of my letters, and I'm also going to trace, I'm using a dinosaur as a template for this tote bag. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back and show you what the next step is. Cut around all the pieces about 1/4 inch from the drawn line. You don't have to be precise, but never cut exactly on the lines. Iron the fabric to remove any wrinkles. Preset the iron for a medium heat setting and don't use the steam function. Iron the adhesive side, which is the rough side of the heat and bond ultra hold, to the wrong side of the fabric. The paper side of the heat and bond is facing up. Place the iron on the paper back side and press down for 2 seconds. Lift the iron and move it to another section if necessary and do the same thing. Let it cool. After all the pieces are adhered to the fabric, cut out all the shapes exactly on the drawn lines. I'll finish cutting them out, and then we'll go on to the next step. After cutting out all the pieces, remove the paper backing. Sometimes it's hard to get it to remove if you just do this, but a tip is to take a pin and score the paper a little, and then you can peel it off easily. Continue to do that for all the pieces. Begin by ironing the tote bag to remove any wrinkles where you want to place the design. Now, I wanted to place my design with the name going around the dinosaur on it, and so I used a plate in order to position the letters where I wanted them. And then what you're going to do, I'm going to remove the plate. I'm going to put my dinosaur, and then with an iron over the applique, you're going to press down for 6 to 8 seconds. Okay, I'm going to go back over it again just to make sure that it's adhering well. And your personalized tote bag is finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. To follow us, click the link in the description below. Also, visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other crafting information and tutorials.